Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all here in AgroWorld channel, and today we will discuss about the definition, nature and concept of plant breeding. What is plant breeding? What is its nature? How it's important in our life? So plant breeding is the art, science and technology for changing the heredity of the plants for the welfare of humankind. In plant breeding, we deal with the manipulation of the genetic material to form the useful products that is useful for the welfare of humankind. Also, we can define it is a man directed evolution and deliberate effort done by the humans in relation to its heredity material of the plants to an advantage. So that is your plant breeding. Then nature of plant breeding, we are saying that it's a art, science and technology. So how it's an art? Art इसको क्यों कहते हैं? Earlier man depends upon his skill and judgment in selecting the better plants. पहले जब ब्रीडर सिलेक्शन करता था, so that will depends totally on his judgment and skill, how he is selecting the plants, what is the criteria of selecting. But at that time he didn't know about the inheritance of characters, कि characters भी एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं. The method of selection was designed without the understanding of principles of inheritance. जो मेथड है सिलेक्शन का, that is without the understanding of principle of inheritance. Even today, आज भी जो सिलेक्शन का क्राइटेरिया है, that depends on the ability, skills of the person involved in the selection. So that's why we are calling plant breeding is an art. Then science. Also it's a science, as the knowledge of genetics and other related sciences progress. Plant breeding becomes less art and more science. After discovery of Mendel's laws of inheritance and his work, rediscovery of his work in 1900 by the three scientists, it had added a lot in the knowledge of science. Then selection of desirable plant even today is an art. It depends on the skill of person, but only skill is not enough. Modern plant breeding is a combined effort of art and use of genetic principles. So it's art as well as science, combination of art and science. Then also it's technology. Plant breeding is a technology also. How? Because commercial product of all plant breeding activities is improved varieties, hybrids, synthetics and composite varieties. These are the commercial product of plant breeding. So this product is utilized by the farmers for commercial cultivation of crops. Therefore, it can be rightly viewed as a technology as it generates a useful products. That's why we call plant breeding is a art, science as well as technology. Then what is the role of plant breeding in our lives? Human beings are dependent on the plants for food, shelter, clothing, fuels. Breeding of field crops provides us food directly through the food grains. Then also for shelter, the produce of agriculture farm are used in making shelters in rural areas. Clothing, when we do the breeding of fiber crops like cotton, that provides clothing for the human population. Fuels, some crops like euphorbia, jatropha are used for the biofuel production. So breeding in the field of biofuel crops helps us for the production of biofuel production, and maize is also used as an important source of ethanol production. So all the three crops, euphorbia, jatropha and maize, breeding is very useful for the biofuel production. Then drugs also, breeding of medicinal plants play important role in the production of drugs for the treatment of various diseases in plants and animals and human being also. Then entertainment, flowers play significant role in celebrations, weddings. Most of the flowers are seasonal in nature, means we get that particular flower in a particular season. So shifting of this seasonal timing is a major aim of plant breeder efforts to produce new varieties that are better adaptable to the changing climatic conditions, कि हमें we can, so that we can get the flowering in all the seasons. So that is the major aim of the plant breeder. So these are the roles of plant breeder. Then challenges. What are the challenges before plant breeder? Firstly, increasing population. At present, the India population stands at 1.3 billion and it will reach 10 to 12 billion during the next coming years. So the main problem is the population growing faster than increase in the food प्रोडक्टिविटी. जो फूड प्रोडक्टिविटी है वो जिस रेट से बढ़ रही है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा स्पीडली रेट से पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है. टू रिड्यूस, सेकेंड, दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. सेकेंड इज टू रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ हार्मफुल केमिकल्स, कि हम कैसे हार्मफुल केमिकल्स के यूज को कम करें. एंड टू प्रोड्यूस न्यूट्रिशियस एंड हेल्दी फूड. सो ऑल दीज आर द big challenges in front of a plant breeder. Secondly, squeezing the cultivable lands. जो हमारा total cultivable land है वो क्या हो रहा है, decreasing day by day due to urbanization and industrial development. Breeder have to tackle this problem by releasing improved varieties of major crops which gives better production per unit area. Population is increasing, cultivable land is decreasing, so it's a very big challenge. So breeder have to improve this, have to tackle this problem by releasing such varieties. ऐसी varieties release करे that will give more production per unit area, जो per unit area में आपको ज़्यादा productivity दे. So that is also a challenge. Erratic rainfall. In India, rainfall is unpredictable and unevenly distributed. 80% of the annual rainfall is received only in the 4 months from June to September. Therefore, varieties which can tolerate dry spell and perform better at low water availability are needed to be developed by the Indian breeders. तो दिस इज़ अगेन ए मेजर चैलेंज कि ब्रीडर ऐसी वेराइटीज़ डेवलप करे जो कि ड्राई स्पेल को टॉलरेट कर सके और लो वाटर कंडीशंस में बेटर परफॉर्म कर सके. सो दिस इज़ अगेन ए चैलेंज. नेक्स्ट इज मैकेनाइजेशन. द वेराइटीज डेवलप्ड बाय द प्लांट ब्रीडर शुड गिव रिस्पॉन्स टू फर्टिलाइजर्स, इरिगेशन एंड शुड बी सुटेबल फॉर मैकेनिकल कल्टिवेशन. येस, varieties, the breeder has developed the variety. After 10 to 12 years he is going to be release a variety, but the response of that variety to the fertilizers, irrigation, that should be suitable for the cultivation. That is again a big challenge for the plant breeder. So thank you very much. This is all for today. In the next video we will meet with the next topic, objectives of plant breeding. Thank you very much.